Well, to give an idea of how cold it is, over there in that hill, that's the bank. That tree is actually normally in the water. That's in the water. I'm sitting here kneeling on a piece of ice. It should be a part of the river. So yeah, it's cold right now. It's probably around 18 degrees. I'm sitting here tying a rig after rig because I keep losing it on the bottom. But that's fishing. Pretty though. Very quiet. Very cold. So to try to forge my own trail, as you can see, I'm up over my knees in snow. So much for exploring. Easy 2.5 feet of snow up here. Guess this is winter Michigan. Find a little way to warm up after dinner. Probably about 4 degrees. I go ahead and fix that.
Look at that pretty stripe on that. That's a male, ain't it? Yeah. Finally got a hook beak male. Oh, that's a beautiful one. That's a pretty fish. Gorgeous.